Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Unity Netcode. First, understand that Unity Netcode for game objects provides a robust framework for building multiplayer experiences. It simplifies complex networking tasks, allowing you to focus on game logic. Key components like the network manager and network object are fundamental to its operation. Netcode supports various network roles, including a host acting as both server and client, or dedicated server and separate clients, offering flexibility for your game's architecture. To begin, install the Netcode for Game Objects package through Unity's Package Manager. Next, create an empty game object in your scene and add the Network Manager component to it. This manager orchestrates all network activity. For any object that needs to be networked, such as your player character, ensure it has a network object component attached. Finally, configure your network transport, typically the default Unity transport, to define how data travels between connected players. Synchronizing game state is crucial for a smooth multiplayer experience. Network variables automatically replicate data across all connected clients, ensuring everyone sees the same information. Network behaviors extend mono behavior, allowing you to write network-specific logic for your game objects. Remote procedure calls, or RPC, provide a way for clients and the server to send direct messages to each other. Always prioritize server authority to maintain game integrity and prevent unauthorized actions by players. Beyond the basics, Netcode offers powerful advanced features. The Network Transform component automatically synchronizes an object's position, rotation, and scale across the network with minimal effort. Similarly, the Network Animator component handles the synchronization of animation states. For more control, Connection Approval lets you implement custom logic to validate incoming client connections. Lastly, Interest Management helps optimize network traffic by only sending relevant data to players within a certain range, crucial for large-scale games.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.